In this video, I'm going to show you how to denoise in Affinity. So as you can see here, I've got an image which has quite a bit of noise on here, and we're going to fix this right now. So the easiest way to do it is by selecting your photo, your image layer over here, and then you want to go to where it says filters down here at the bottom. Click on it and look for denoise. So when you find it, click on it, and a bunch of different things is going to pop up over here, and you have a bunch of different sliders. So let me zoom in a bit so you'll be able to see better. There we go, that's perfect. And then the most important two sliders are likely going to be the luminance and the colors. However, the other ones are going to have effect as well. So just make sure you find a perfect balance between these, okay? So I'm going to, for example, put on luminance to the max, and as you can see, my image has basically been denoised. And if I do colors as well, it's even better. So if I zoom in, there's much less noise than before. So if I go back to 0 over here on both of these, you can see the difference. Okay, so luminance for me is making the most difference over here. However, you can just put it to the max, because if you do that, it's going to look a bit AI if you ask me. So just make sure you do find a perfect balance in here. So just find the perfect balance between luminance and colors, and then these other sliders as well, which will have effect too. So play around with it a bit, and you'll be able to see it's going to basically change things. And then when you find the perfect sweet spot, you can even play around with these blend modes. So you may want to use a different blend mode than normal in case that's something you want to achieve. And of course, when you come to something that you like, you can just click on the merge button, and it's going to merge that onto your current image and hopefully denoise it to the way you want it to be. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.